Hi, I'm Healing Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing video. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me in today's video. This is going to be very quick. This is an unboxing for a purchase that I recently made from Keurig. Now, in case you don't know, Keurig is the manufacturer of a lot of coffee making machines and coffee in the format of K-pods or K-cups. They are usually single serving, but you can get multi-serving pods of coffee, good for like 1 cup just for you or enough cups to share. Keurig recently had a sale. I believe it was 8 for $88. So 8 24 count boxes of Keurig K-cup pods for $88 or $11 for 24 K-cups. And the way I kind of calculate it is, as long as it's like 50 cents a cup or less, then I think it's a good deal. Keurig not only sells their own brand, but they also sell multiple brands of K-cups. I heard about this particular brand just like on and off, like radio, commercials, social media ads, stuff like that. And I was like, you know what? There's a sale. I've been hearing a lot about this, y'all. Let me just go ahead and try it. Before we get into my purchase, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Make sure it is set to all. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know. Now, y'all, let's see. What did I get from Keurig? Here is my box, y'all. It's a pretty decent box. And this is the coffee that I got. So the particular brand of coffee I got is Black Rifle Coffee Company. It says that it's America's coffee, and it seemed to be kind of like patriotic based. Let me show you the 8 types of coffee that I got. The first one that I got is Vanilla Bomb, and this is a medium roast coffee. See the little soldier dude? He look kind of old. Vanilla Bomb. This is a medium roast coffee. It says swap the soft serve for this explosive vanilla flavored roast. So that's this, and you can see like it says 12 on the box, but you get 2 of each kind. Let me see if I can pull this out here. Yep. So you get 2 12 count, so it's 24 of each kind. The next one that I got is Thin Blue Line. This is a medium roast, and I believe this is for police officers or law enforcement. Now, y'all, I don't know how any of these coffees taste. I just purchased them for the first time. I haven't opened them up. I might give like a little follow-up down the line, or I'll probably just mention it in a future video how each coffee tastes. This one says BRCC, Black Rifle Coffee Company, honors our nation's thin blue line with a roast that benefits law enforcement and their families. So I got this one right, y'all. This is for law enforcement. I do drink more tea than coffee, and I've also purchased Keurig K-cup teas, but to me the coffees taste better. And then I just buy tea bags. I buy most of my tea from the Republic of Tea. I really like their tea, so I pretty much buy my tea from there or just from the grocery store. If I'm mispronouncing these, and if it's people that's in military and law enforcement and all that kind of stuff, if y'all know what this means, like I don't. So if I'm not saying this stuff right, y'all, don't come for me. But I wouldn't mind y'all letting me know in the comment section like what these things mean or what it's really for. So the next one is C Spade F, and this look like it's for the Army. So I don't know if this is different branches of service or what. This is a medium roast, and this one says a higher caffeine blend with a rich smoky flavor made for the professional coffee drinker. Oh, y'all, this one might be too strong for me. The next one is Freedom Roast. This is a medium roast. This one says declare your independence from conventional coffee with this bold medium roast. So that's this one, Freedom Roast. I guess most of these are medium so far. Then we have what looks like a medical coffee. And this says, we always have your 6 a.m. with this classic BRCC roast. So this look like it's for medical. I guess, you know, medical, they up early. They stay up late. They always like helping. So 6, or early morning roast. And this is also medium. The next one I have, this is Freedom Fuel, and this is a dark roast. This says, nothing will wake you up better than the smell of freedom in the morning. So Freedom Fuel, and this is a dark roast. This dude look like he about to get somebody early in the mornings. The next one I have is Silencer Smooth, and this is a light roast, and it says, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Let this smooth, delicious roast set your morning in motion. All right, so another early morning coffee, Silencer Smooth. And then the last one I have is AK Espresso. This is a medium roast, and this says, a perfect blend of dark and light coffees makes this espresso the ultimate workhorse. Yo, this it got a dead skull on it. I mean, I don't know. Does that mean it's extra strong? It says a medium roast. A perfect blend of dark and light coffees makes this espresso the ultimate workhorse. You know what? I don't drink espresso like talking about it, but I mean, I bought it, so you know I'm going to try it. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, and that's it. Y'all let me know. Do you drink Keurig K-Cups, K-Pod coffee? I know a lot of people say that it's weak. They don't like it, this and that, that and this. I buy it more for the convenience, and plus I have a Keurig machine, so I mean, you know, I'm gonna buy the pods that go with the machine. I don't drink coffee every day, but if I want something quick or just like spur of the moment, the Keurig coffee makers make a cup of coffee like real quick. I like them because they sell so many different varieties. And this is something new to me though. This Black Rifle Coffee Company is new. Like I said, I seen commercials, you know, ads, on the radio ads and stuff or whatever. And I was like, you know what? Keurig have a sale. Let me go ahead and check it out. Again, this was the 8 for $88. So I got 8 24 count varieties of coffee. So I'm gonna try them out, y'all. I'll let you know what I think, and then I'll let you know if I repurchase any of these coffees. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Make sure it is set to all. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.